TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got a mixed bag out here. Mixed bag, you've got the Dow up 227 points. That's about 7.8% to the upside. S&P is flat. NASDAQ 100 off 118. Russell's up 30 points. That's the big the upside. That is up almost 2%. Mike sounds low, so that's a slight problem here. We'll have to try to figure that out after this segment. So we've got the semis are up 46 points. Gold's up 27, silver's up 82. So let's take a look at the markets. What are the markets doing right now? Do you know? What are the markets doing? Well, let's take a look at what they are doing out here. And they are consolidating. We are in a good old-fashioned consolidation. Here are the four primary cash indices. You've got the S&P in the upper left. You've got the NASDAQ in the upper right. You've got the Russell 2000 in the lower right. And you've got the Dow in the lower left. Now, not all these markets are consolidating, but certainly three of the four are. The S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow. Now, the Dow, that's the lower left, bottom lower left. It is trying to break out of that consolidation. Yesterday was the first break above the consolidation, came back and tested it by the close out there. If we take a look at today's actions, also the same thing. Inside the S&P, inside the NASDAQ, no breakout going on. Now, when you do break a consolidation, so in the case of the Dow, if this is a breakout to the upside, because we have this consolidation, we have what's called a measured move. It's equal to or greater than the consolidation. When you bust out of consolidation, that gives you your price target to the upside or to the downside. So here, the upside price target would be 32,190 and change. Is that what I'm saying we're going to do right now? Well, I would suggest that we would if we see that there's capital, global capital flowing into the Dow. I don't detect that yet. You'll have to stick around for the next hour's show. We can take a look at that. In the meantime, you've got three of the markets that are consolidating, the Dow trying to break out. And inside the Russell 2000 yesterday, it completed a 1-to-1 A to B equals CD to the upside out here. This is the cash indice. The actual futures contract, here are the futures contracts, it generated a bearish shooting star. So it confirmed its 1 to 1.272 A to B equals CD to the upside. But price needs to close below a couple of key levels out there to confirm that pattern. So overall, where are we at with regard to the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ? They're just in a consolidation pattern with the Dow trying to bust out. Stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. If you're off to start your Tuesday, have a terrific one, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.